Vaidyagrama means a healing a village that offers authentic Ayurveda treatment. It is a space that is green, environment friendly, a space that follows the principles of Ayurveda and Vastu Shastra. Vaidyagrama follows the principles of an ideal Ayurveda center as prescribed in the classical Ayurveda texts. The commitment is to create a truly natural Ayurveda hospital that is based on the textual dictates and yet that suits contemporary times. The spaces allotted for each specific place for healing, the materials used for construction, the landscaping, and even the vegetation are all for an Ayurveda reason, a good reason for the healing process to be complete. It is the effort of the team to create and maintain the being of Vaidyagrama maximum in an eco-friendly manner. 5 acres of barren land were purchased in the year 2008. Immediately upon purchase, 6 recharge wells were made in the land, which helped improve the groundwater table. Mud blocks were made from soil excavated from the same place. They were handmade and sun-dried. This helped give jobs to local villagers for an extended period of time. Vaidyagrama means a healing village, an assemblage of Ayurveda Vaidyas sharing a common vision of authentic Ayurveda for universal well-being. This is also a learning facility, an ashram, a temple of healing, and is being led by Dr. Ram Kumar and team of doctors. A typical day at Vaidyagrama starts at sunrise with Agnihotra being performed, followed by prayer. This is attended by staff and patients. In the evening at sunset also, Agnihotra and prayer is conducted. Patients from all over the world come to Vaidyagrama for their healing.
I'm glad that I've come to Vaidyagram. It's such an integrated, holistic center. The caretakers here have not missed out anything for oneself to get healed. I've come here for 20 days. I've been here and tomorrow is my last day. I'd come with a lot of pain on my left side. I believe in Ayurveda, and when I've come and now I'm leaving, like all my pains have subsided and I feel totally cleansed and healed properly. And it's the best thing. You have a routine here, lot of caretakers, helpers, and with lot of warmth people treat you. I think that itself helps people for healing faster. And thank you very much.
Every day at 2 p.m., Yoga Nidra is conducted, which is followed by satsangs where Ayurveda knowledge is shared. Once every week, a group lunch is organized for the patients, which is followed by entertainment program. Cow Puja is performed every Friday. Besides this, cooking class, gardening walk, kashayam making class, etc. are conducted every week. Tree plantation is done by all the patients the day before their departure, which has resulted in the once barren land to be converted to a young forest of medicinal plants. In the kitchen, Sattvic food is prepared and biomass briquettes are used as fuel. Cooking food in yellow flame is considered healthy, which was the practice in our olden days. Washing clothes at Vaidyagrama is done using soap nuts. These soap nuts are soaked overnight in water and in the morning the seeds are removed and are tied in a cloth and are put in the washing machine. Vaidyagrama also has extended its medical services and support to the underprivileged villagers through their non-profit Punarnava Ayurveda Trust, which is associated with Vaidyagrama and the parent company Punarnava Ayurveda Limited. The vision of Punarnava Ayurveda Trust is to create a sustainable community based on the principles of Ayurveda and natural farming. Towards this, medical camps are conducted every month and daily free Ayurveda clinic in Rottikaundanur village is kept open from 5 pm to 7 pm on all the days for the benefit of the villagers. Along with the camp, a community lunch is also arranged for all the villagers. The elderly villages in Tirumalayampalayam Panchayat needed continuous support. Project Annam caters to 150 elderly abandoned villages since 2015. Elders also needed care for their eyes. Collaborating with Arvind Eye Hospital, eye camps are conducted twice a year in different villages.
என் பேர் அஸ்வின் ராஜ். நான் வந்துட்டு இப்போ 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறேன். பாலகிராமத்தில் ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டாக இருக்கேன். நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்துட்டு இங்கே 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லேயே இங்கே வந்தப்போ வந்துட்டு எனக்கு அவ்வளோவா வந்துட்டு இங்கிலீஷ் அது வராது. இங்கிலீஷ் மேக்ஸு சுத்தமாக வராது. அப்போ வந்துட்டு இங்கிலீஷ் வந்துட்டு இங்கே சந்தியாக்கா வந்துடுவாங்க. அவங்கள வந்துட்டு சொல்லித் தருவாங்க. மேக்ஸ் நல்லா சொல்லித் தருவாங்க. அப்போ நான் அந்த மாதிரி தான் அவங்கள்ட்ட படித்து இங்கே டெய்லி டியூஷன் வராங்க. இப்போ இந்த கோவிட் இதில் கூட இங்கே தான் வந்து எங்களுக்கு சொல்லித் தருவாங்க மேக்ஸ் அதெல்லாம். இப்போ மற்ற பசங்க எங்கேயும் வீட்டில் படிக்கிறாங்களா என்னன்னு தெரியாது. ஆனால் நாங்கள் வந்து டெய்லியும் படிக்கிறோம். அதனால் நல்லா ஸ்கோர் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு அவ்வளோதான்.
Balagrama is home to boys from troubled homes from the villages nearby Vaidyagrama. The boys are taught Sanskrit, yoga, kalari, the martial art form of Kerala, along with their studies in the government school nearby. These boys are getting trained to be future leaders of our community. During summer holidays, a summer camp is organized for boys and girls from the villages. They are trained in our culture, yoga, art, craft, natural farming, Sanskrit, Ayurveda, and values of life and living. Punarnava Trust also conducts international Ayurveda conferences every few years. The last international conference of 1 week was held in 2015 at Vaidyagrama, which was attended by 650 delegates from all over the world. Moving in the direction of sustainability, Punarnava is protecting indigenous cows through Lakshmi Grama, which is home for 40 cows and bulls. Ghee and buttermilk for Vaidyagrama is made at Lakshmi Grama. Cow dung is used for making dhoop sticks for warding off mosquitoes. Jeevamritam, which is a biofertilizer, is used in natural farming at Vaidyagrama. Holy ash is prepared from fresh cow dung, which is used in house. Towards empowering women, eco-friendly biodegradable sanitary pads are made by women for women. 150 girls from nearby government school receive free sanitary pads every month from Punarnava Ayurveda Trust. Land protection for agroforestry, sustainable organic farming, fodder cultivation, etc. are undertaken here. Karshaka Grama, a farmer's village, is a soon to be realized dream of Punarnava.
എൻ്റെ പേര് ചെമ്പുവാണ്. ഞാൻ ഹൗസ് കീപ്പിംഗായി വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നു ഇവിടെ വൈദ്യഗ്രാമത്തിൽ. 2014 ഇവിടെ വന്ന് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങിയത്. പക്ഷേ അതിൻ്റെ മുമ്പിട്ട് ഞാൻ എവിടെയും വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പോയിട്ടില്ല. എൻ്റെ മക്കളെ പഠിപ്പിക്കാൻ ഇവിടെ വന്നിക്കുമ്പോൾ രണ്ടുപേരും സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിക്കുമായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് അറിയാത്ത സമയത്തിലാണ് ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ജോലി ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എല്ലാവരും സഹോദരി പോലെ പഴകിയപ്പോൾ അതന്നെ എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു. ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ഓരോരോ ജോലികളും പഠിച്ച് വൈദ്യഗ്രാമത്തിൻ്റെ നിയമം പോലെ തന്നെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ നല്ലൊരു എൻ്റെ വീട് പോലെയാണ് ഇവിടെ. എല്ലാവരും ചിരിക്കും, ആദ്യം ചിരിച്ചിട്ടാണ് സംസാരിക്കുക. അതാണ് എനിക്ക് നന്നായി ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടത് തന്നെ. പിന്നെ ഒരു പേടിയില്ല. ഉള്ളിൽ വന്നാൽ നമ്മുടെ വർക്ക് നല്ല സേഫ്റ്റിയാണ് ഇവിടെ. അതുകൊണ്ട് എൻ്റെ കുടുംബം പോലെ തന്നെ ഇപ്പം ഇവിടെ.
We thank the global community for supporting the local community in making this earth a better place to live. We invite each one of you to visit Vaidyagrama and experience the Vaidyagrama way of living and help us spread this message of inclusiveness across the globe. Thank you.